Most people around the world end up representing themselves in court because they can't afford to hire a lawyer. With no legal training or courtroom experience, self-represented parties often find themselves facing this task for the very first time and with a lot at stake. Our idea is to create an online simulation that will give users some self-representation experience before they head into court for real. This problem has persisted for decades. Our legal system was created hundreds of years ago for lawyers and by lawyers, and it exists based on the premise that each side will have a lawyer by their side. But in the United States alone, 80% of people who need a lawyer cannot get one. This problem is global. Access to affordable civil justice is so fundamental for dispute resolution that it ranks as the first of 7 factors, civil justice factors, that the World Justice Project uses to score nations on the Rule of Law Index. So what does gaming have to do with access to justice? How can a video game make a meaningful contribution to anything? Current research shows that digital gaming provides people with virtual experience. That's because digital games are experiential learning environments where users can practice skills before heading into court for real. We think people can benefit from a serious game. Through our game, people will be better prepared to represent themselves in court. The first component of our project is to use game technology to build a community around the needs of self-represented parties. We'll also use a highly collaborative design process that can translate the self-representation experience into a game scenario. Statewide Legal Services of Connecticut leads this project, joined by New Haven Legal Assistance Association, Northeastern University School of Law's New Law Lab, and Northeastern's Game Design Program. We have seed funding, a small amount of seed funding, from the Legal Services Corporation to launch the first iteration of the game on our statewide legal aid website, ctlawhelp.org. To build the game, we will sit down with self-represented parties and learn about their experiences, along with judges, lawyers, law students, court personnel, and our project team of legal aid lawyers, technology managers, game designers, and educators to collaboratively translate the self-representation experience into a game scenario. This is just the tip of the iceberg for this project. Imagine the scenarios where we could apply this game: witness preparation, healthcare advocacy, prisoners asking for more humane conditions, any scenario where some practice might help. Help us uncover more applications for our project.